Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Tanya to Guide. In this video, we are going to learn a few of the important questions which are regarding Python. So let us see the first question, that is, which symbol is used to add two numbers in Python? So the answer is, what is the symbol? Basically addition we use plus, for subtraction we use minus, for multiplication it's not x, it's star symbol. Okay, in your mathematics we usually use this x symbol for representation of multiplication, whereas in programming we use the star symbol. For division there are different symbols, example slash, double slash and percent symbol. Okay, these three are used for division. Yes, so now here the correct answer is plus. Next one, what is the correct way to print hello? Now see here, print hello, display hello, output hello. Print hello is the correct answer. Print is a statement which helps us to display the output on the monitor. Okay, yeah, now our output is hello, so that is the reason print hello is the correct option. Which of the following is the correct way to write a comment in Python? Which of the following? Hash is the one which is used for comments in Python. How do you declare a variable in Python? These are very basic questions. How do you declare variable x is equals to 10, which is wrong. Now yeah, there is a typo error over here. It is x is equals to 10, int x is equals to 10. In Python you need not to explicitly mention the data type. Example, x is equals to 10 is bus. It means that x is a variable which is having a value of 10. You need not to write whether it is integer, float, with the values along with that. Okay, because here there is a typecasting in this, so it can understand. Now the correct answer is B. How do you check if two variables a and b are equal? Usually we compare like this, na, a equals to b in your mathematics. I am just interlinking mathematics with programming so that you can remember for very long time. So children, see here, a double equals to b is the correct answer, because double equals to is the operator which is basically used for comparison. So I hope you understand a double equals to b is the correct answer. Now let's move forward to the next question. What is the correct extension of Python files? What is the correct extension? .py is the correct extension. What will be the output of print hello plus world? Now string concatenation plus in Python is also used for concatenation. Concatenation, which means, see, Sharanya is a string. Okay, that means a words, right? Word, it's a word. Sharanya, and now I want to write Tanya. Now I want to combine Sharanya and Tanya, so that is the reason I am using this plus symbol. So basically it is used for concatenation of two strings. In general, it is basically used for combining two words. Okay. Now hello plus world, that means hello world will combine together. Now in the last one it is wrong. The first one here we are giving space, so it is wrong. Whenever we write this plus, it will usually combine together and will get the output. So now the answer is B. What is the output? Print 5 equals to 5. That means it is true, because 5 is equals to 5 now. That statement itself is true. And this double equals to is used for comparison. If the statement is true, then we'll get an output called as true. Which of the following is used for equality in Python? Equality, here it is there. So B and C both are correct. Sorry, I made a mistake. Here it is mentioned as equality, right? So the first answer is correct. Equals to, basically equal to is used for assigning the value, and double equals to is used for comparison of the values. So there it is mentioned as equality, so option A is the correct answer. Next one, what will be the output print of type of 5? See, type of 5 is an integer, so search for the integer. Class int is the correct answer. Which of the following will create a list in Python? Square symbols are basically used for creating a list in Python. Next one, what does the input function do in Python? What does it do? It actually takes input from the users. Okay, so the answer is B. Next one, what is the output of print 5//2? Yes, this is very interesting question. Now 5//2 they are asking. Just now I have told you, right? that there are three symbols, that is single slash, double slash and modulus, right? Now let me divide 5 double slash 2 means we have to divide this 2 with the 5. 2 divided by 5. Let me clear all these things, then I will start writing. 2 divided by 5. 2 2s are 4. Remainder will be 1. 0.0. 2 5s are 10. See, if this is modulus operator, then you have to write this 0 value. That means modulus is used for remainder. If it is normal single slash, then you have to write 2.5. But here the question is double slash. So you have to write this 2.5 only. But before the decimal you have to write. What is the value which is before the decimal? 2, right? So the answer is 2. I hope everyone are clear. So you practice many questions based on these logic, then only you will understand. So the answer is 2 is the correct answer. Understand? See, I repeat once again because most of the students will get confused over here. Slash, which means you have to write the quotient value. Complete quotient value you have to write. Okay, in decimals only. If it is double slash, only you have to write point before values. Okay. If it is modulus, you have to write only the remainder values. Okay, children? Now let's move to the next question. This is again one more interesting question. See, 5 plus 6 it is mentioned. See here, usually people will think that it is concatenation. It is correct. It is concatenation only. But they will think that 5 plus 6 it is equals to 11 and they will keep this quotes. But it is wrong. Here, this 5 with the quotes, it is a string, right? The 6 with the quotes, then it will become a string. So, we are combining two strings. Now, this number has been converted into a string. The 6 has been converted into a string. Now, we have combined both of that numbers and it will become 5, 6. So, 5, 6 is the correct answer. Which of the following is a floating division? Which one? Float it is asking. That means with decimals or without decimals? Without decimals or with decimals? With decimals. So the answer is A. Okay. So now let's move to the fill in the blanks. Here one more the same question. 5 modulus 2. So the same question, 5 modulus they are asking. So that means you have to write the 0. Because modulus means you have to write the remainder value now. So you have to write the remainder value. A list is in Python is defined with square brackets. A Python is enclosed in double quotes or single quotes. A comma B is equals to 10 comma 12. Print B. So the value of B is 12. A group of characters are called as strings. S-T-R-I-N-G-S. Strings. I hope everyone are clear with this MCQs. Thank you.